Hello students, let's study Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law is also called as law of gaseous volume. It was given by Gay-Lussac in 1808. So what does this law say? For seeing this, let's see the example. Hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas to form water in gaseous state. So what does this law say? When our reactants are in gaseous form, they will react in simple ratio. And if our product is also a gas, then this product gases will bear a simple ratio with reactant gases. See here, hydrogen and oxygen both are gases. They will react in a simple ratio by volume. 2 volume of hydrogen react with 1 volume of oxygen to form 2 volume of water. So if we see the ratio of gases of reactants which are reacting with each other, that is 2:1, and the product is also gas, this also bear a simple ratio with reactant gases. So the law states that gases react with each other in a simple ratio of their volume. If the product is also a gas or products are also gases, then the volume of products also bear a simple ratio with the volumes of gaseous reactants. But provided what? When all the volumes are measured under similar condition of temperature and pressure. It is very necessary that temperature and pressure should not change. Here we see reactants are also gases and product is also gases. So reactant gases will react, they will bear a simple ratio, and if product is also a gas, then it will also bear a simple ratio with the reactant gases. Let's see some other examples also. Let's see some other example. For example, hydrogen gas reacts with chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride gas. If we see, so here we will see hydrogen gas reacts with chlorine gas. It will give you hydrogen chloride gas. If we see, the two gases are reacting in the ratio 2:1:1. 1 volume of hydrogen, 1 volume of chlorine is reacting to form 2 volume of HCl. So, reactants react in a ratio by their volume. Reactants react in a ratio by their volume, and if products are also gases, then that will also bear a simple whole number ratio with the reactants. For example, another example, CO plus O2 give rise to CO2. Here twice. 2 volume of carbon monoxide react with 1 volume of oxygen to give 2 volume of carbon monoxide. So by volume their ratio is 2:1:2. Similarly, if we see another example, nitrogen gas reacts with hydrogen gas to form ammonia gas. So here we will also find the two gases react in a ratio 1:3 by volume, and the new gas formed, that is also bear a simple ratio with this. So we will find that what does the law say? When two gases react, they will react in simple ratio of their volume, and if the products are also gases, then the volume of product also bear a simple ratio with the volumes of reactant gases. But the condition is what? All the volumes are measured at same temperature and same pressure. This will not be changing. Pressure for all the gases will be same. Temperature will also be same. This is the Gay-Lussac's law or law of gaseous volume. Thank you.